provide us healthy.
Bless you.
Bless you.
왜냐?
Magic shot. It's like some kind of shot.
Yeah.
And we give our trauma and we get
아이고, bless me.
그래서 제일 자주 시켜 먹는 배달 음식.